Travel made simple, memories made grand. Started in 2020, Aasaan Holidays began with just two dreamers and a vision. From weekend destinations during the pandemic, to becoming Gujarat's fastest growing travel company in just 5 years. Today, we are proud to be the trusted travel partner for 30,000 plus happy customers. One brand, endless journeys. We cover it all: flights, cruises, hotels, visas, Forex, pan-India car rentals. From domestic fit and gig tours to corporate group events and destination weddings. And now, outbound tours across Bali, Dubai, Europe, Singapore, Malaysia, Vietnam, Sri Lanka, Bhutan and beyond. Consistently ranked among the top 5 sellers for Rann Utsav Tent City, Statue of Unity Tent City and Tent City Narmada. Over 1,000 plus 5-star Google reviews. Honored with 7 plus awards, including Best Family Tour Operator in Gujarat and Fastest Emerging Inbound Tour Operator. Approved by Gujarat Tourism and India Tourism. Certified under Nidhi by the Ministry of Tourism, India. Proud members of IATO, ADTOI, TAG, IATO, GCCI, BNI, and Rotary Club. At Aasaan Holidays, we believe travel is about spreading smiles. In association with Rotary Club of Skyline Ahmedabad, we organized free trips for physically challenged children to the Statue of Unity, making dreams come true for those who never imagined the journey. From 2 to 20 team members, from local to global tours, our journey has just begun. With our new online travel portal, booking flights, hotels, and tours will be easier than ever in just 3 simple steps. Aasaan Holidays is ready to redefine travel for India and the world.